Welcome again to another episode of the Consistency Queen. Hello, my name is Elsa Morgan. Thank you for being here. Today, I want to speak with you about making a decision. The moment that you make a decision to change your life, to take a risk on yourself, to back yourself, to just decide to go after your dreams, what actually happens? Now, this is going to be quick and punchy because the message is very clear. Your life does not change by you sitting back and wondering what if, or thinking about when is the perfect time, or waiting for the finances to arrive, or thinking that you need to be ready in some way to be able to pursue the very things that you desire. When I changed my life was when I made a decision to change my life. It didn't happen because I got lucky. It didn't happen because somebody decided to just give me everything. It didn't happen because, miraculously everything just fell into place. It happened because I made a decision to start to work towards my dreams. I decided that my circumstances that I found myself in at that point in time no longer applied. And so what I decided to do was to find out exactly what I needed to do to change my life. And so let me tell you, making a decision is more than just deciding to invest in yourself, deciding to set a plan to go after your dreams, decide to walk away from everything that you know. It is about going all in. And this doesn't mean hustle and 24/7 when I say going all in. I just want to make that clear. When I say go all in, this is about energetically making this a priority. This is now a priority alongside you breathing every single day, taking a shower, your family, like it sits alongside those priorities. That's what I mean when I say go all in, because there is this massive misconception that when we say go all in, that suddenly, it means hustle. It doesn't. What it actually means is that you are giving this a priority in your life, a focus, that you're borderline obsessed with making this happen. But what actually happens when you become this way or you behave this way, that energetically things start to appear. Doors open, people present, opportunities present. Suddenly you see the world with a different lens. But more importantly, you are now committing to achieving this thing. And so when you make a decision, it's more than just what if. It's more than just I'll see how it goes. That's not really making a decision. That's you going after what you want conditionally. Like if I see the results, then I'll go all in. Or if I see evidence that it's working, then I'll commit to it. That's not making a decision. Making a decision to radically change your circumstances and build a six-figure business is about deciding that you're going to achieve it. It's about making the effort, making it a priority, that you're going to learn exactly what it takes to build this thing. You're going to ensure that you remove the things that will distract you from achieving this thing. You're going to focus on the very things that you need to focus on as an individual to become the version that achieves this result. You're going to commit to learning, to applying, to failing forward, to getting back up again and again and again until you achieve it. This is what making a decision is. And more importantly, when you actually decide and when you commit to the very thing that you want to achieve, you know what happens? Because you invest in yourself, because you learn the very things that you need to achieve this result, you collapse time. It actually works out to be a lot quicker and a lot faster than you anticipated, because things present, open doors, people present, knowledge, becomes available. And then all of a sudden you're thinking to yourself, why did I wait so long? Have you ever found yourself saying that? Why did I wait so long? This is because you are beyond ready. And most people think, I'm not ready. No one ever feels ready. And this is because we are thinking about our end result based on where we sit right now, with our current circumstances, in our current financial situation, with our current skill set. But then when we move, we set the plan to get started and we move, we realize that we were long overdue. We were long overdue to start. So what happens is not only do you start moving towards your goals, you start realizing that you were ready all along, that you yourself held yourself back. That even though things were scary, even though you doubted yourself, that you were way more capable than what you gave yourself credit for. The amount of people that I see that limit their potential simply because they don't believe they're ready. So ask yourself, have you really made a decision? Or are you making decisions that are conditional on you seeing evidence? Are you going all in your business based on you needing to know that this is a certainty? Have you not gone all in with building a 6-figure plus business simply because you don't believe you're ready, simply because you don't see the finances in your bank account, simply because you don't see evidence that this is possible for you? Because none of what I just said then matters, because every single time that I've wanted to invest in myself, the money appears because I've made a decision. And every single time that I go after a goal, it happens because I've made a decision to actually achieve it. And every single time that I say that I'm going to do something, I do it. So just know that the only reason why you are not where you want to be is because you haven't made a decision. So until you make a decision, a real one, where you will finally let go of the chains that are holding you back, that where you are finally moving away from the circumstances and you are not ever going to go back, that you are finally going to invest in yourself to know exactly how to do it. You're going to commit the time because it's a priority, and you're going to keep going and keep getting back up again and again and again. Only then will the results arrive. This is just some no BS mentorship that you need to hear today. And if someone's going to say it to you, it may as well be me. If you're looking for a mentor that's going to give you exactly what you need, the strategies that I have used to achieve almost $3 million from one platform, hey, head to workwithelsa.com, book in a call, and let's have a conversation about how I can help you. It may be the very conversation that'll change everything for you. I'll see you on the next episode.